What if I told you that $5,000 right now has the mathematical potential to become $1 million in just over 3 years? Stick with me for a second. This isn't a lottery ticket, it's not crypto gambling or some get-rich-quick fantasy. This is pure math. Compound interest powered by a serious AI-driven trading system. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how the numbers work and why most people never even run them. Here's exactly what we're covering. First, I'm showing you the actual numbers, no fluff. Just the compound interest formula doing its magic. Second, I'll explain what an institutional-grade neural network trading system really is and why AI is completely changing the game. Third, I'll break down that powerful 13.92% historical monthly average return, where it comes from, what it actually means, and most importantly, what it doesn't mean. Here's the problem with how most people think about investing. They hear 7% a year from a regular index fund, run the numbers, and realize it'll take 55 years to turn $5,000 into $1 million. 55 years. That's not wealth building, that's a retirement plan for your grandkids. So they give up. They assume real wealth is only for people who already have money, and that single assumption alone is the most expensive mistake most people will ever make. Now, let me show you what happens when that rate changes. The formula is dead simple. Future value equals your starting amount times 1 plus your monthly rate raised to the number of months. That's it. At 7% a year, that's roughly 0.58% per month. $5,000 takes 55 years to reach $1 million. At 1% per month, it still takes about 38 years. At 5% monthly, it drops to around 10 years. But at 13.92% per month, it'll reach over $1 million in under 41 months, just over 3 years. Same $5,000, same formula. The only thing that changed was the rate. Now, here's the part I really want you to take in. Compound interest isn't linear, it's exponential. It's the difference between earning an insignificant monthly paycheck versus a bankroll that grows to massive proportions month after month. Warren Buffett built most of his fortune after he turned 50. Over 99% of his net worth came in the second half of his life, not because he suddenly got smarter, but simply because the compounding curve finally reached its explosive growth phase. Imagine what that means for your $5,000 at 13.92% monthly. Year 1, you go from $5,000 to around $24,000. Year 2, you're pushing $115,000. Then year 3 hits, and the curve goes nearly vertical. By month 41, you've crossed $1 million. The math doesn't care about your background or your income. It only cares about the rate and the time. And using the rule of 72, your money doubles roughly every 5.2 months at this rate. I know what some of you are thinking right now. 13.92% a month? That sounds made up. And honestly, that's the right reaction. Healthy skepticism keeps you safe. So let's talk about where this number actually comes from. For decades, the best trading systems in the world were locked behind hedge fund doors. You needed millions and the right connections just to get access. Think of Renaissance Technologies Medallion Fund, 66% average annual returns for over 30 years, and it even made 98% in 2008 when everything else crashed. They did it with neural networks, AI that spots patterns across millions of data points no human could ever catch. That edge used to be impossible for regular people, but because of all the AI advancements we've achieved in recent years, the impossible has become possible. AI trading strategies now make up over 40% of all market volume, and the top AI funds are beating traditional ones by double digits. The 13.92% monthly figure I'm showing you is the historical average from one of these systems. It's not a guarantee. It's not what you'll see every single month as markets change. This is simply a powerful mathematical illustration of what compound interest can do at that kind of rate. Here's the real message I want you to take away, and it's bigger than any system or any number. The most important variable isn't how much you start with. It's not even the rate. It's the decision to actually start. Every single month you wait is a month of compounding you will never get back. The growth curve doesn't pause while you get ready. Most people spend more time researching their next phone than figuring out how their money can work for them. Over 41 months, that difference is literally $5,000 versus $1 million. So let's bring it back to where we started. $5,000. One smart move into a neural network AI trading system with this kind of historical edge. 40.7 months later, $1 million. The math is real. The formula has been around for centuries. What's changed is the rate, and AI is what's making rates like this possible for everyday people. Don't just take my word for it. Open any compound interest calculator, plug in 13.92%, start with $5,000, set it to monthly compounding, and watch what happens at month 41. Now, see what happens afterwards. It's truly mind-blowing. If you want to see exactly how this institutional-grade AI trading system works, the link is in the description. And if this video made you look at what's possible in a whole new way, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and share it with one person who needs to see this math. Because the most expensive thing in the world isn't making a bad investment. It's never knowing what was actually possible.